We guide you through how to take a screenshot on a Samsung Galaxy phone. First thing you need to do is to make sure the screen you want to capture is open and clearly visible. Now, place your fingers on the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Press both buttons together quickly and firmly, but don't hold them too long, just about 1 second, and then release. When done, the screen will flash and you'll see a small animation that confirms the screenshot has been taken. You might also hear a clicking or a shutter sound, which is another sign that the screenshot worked successfully. After capturing the screenshot, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to see the screenshot notification, where you can tap it to preview the image right away. This button method works on almost all Samsung Galaxy models, whether they are new or old, and it's the fastest way to take a screenshot without using your touchscreen menus.